Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is oatmeal. We will be making oatmeal with maple roasted squash and pork belly with oatmeal congee with kimchi cabbage slaw. Wow, this sounds impressive.
Well, thank you. No, I looked at the oatmeal challenge as a challenge.
Yes.
How do we make it different? How do we make it fun? We're gonna get started with the pork belly. We have onions, some ginger. We have, this is fish sauce, a little bit of soy, some orange juice.
Ooh.
Put a couple garlic cloves in there as well. And we also have rice wine vinegar, also known as mirin. And I'm just gonna give this a quick mix.
Okay.
And this is gonna go right over our pork belly. And it's not only gonna be the marinade, but it's also gonna be kind of our braising liquid. I'll cover this up and put it in the oven at about 275 degrees for about 4 hours.
Low and slow.
Low and slow. We'll get our oats going. So I have some dashi here. I'm gonna add my oats to that once it's simmering.
And these are just regular
Just
oats.
regular old steel cut oats. I have here ones that have cooked for about like 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay.
I added another, just a touch of soy into it. And what you're looking for is a really soft texture. Let that kind of cook a little bit more. I have a salad, kind of kimchi and cabbage salad. Very simple. You can buy store-bought kimchi.
What is kimchi?
So kimchi is a fermented cabbage. So I have some kimchi, I have some regular cabbage, a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of sesame oil, some toasted sesame seeds. We're gonna put this on the side and let it just kind of hang out while our pork belly is cooking. Now we're gonna cook for baby. So I have my squash here, a little bit of maple syrup, so a little bit of sesame, and this will
eventually become
while this is still working, we're gonna make our oats. So I have really just whole milk, a little bit of water, some brown sugar. I'm gonna add my oats into it as well.
Tell me a little bit about oatmeal for children.
Oatmeal is one of those first foods. So babies usually start off with breast milk, or if they're doing formula, for the first 6 months. And then you do want to introduce oatmeal. It has really a great source of iron. For the first 6 months of life, babies are still using the stores that they got from their mama, but after 6 months of age, they're still doing all that growth and they need an iron source. So oatmeal is really a great way to get that in there. But you're also getting other vitamins. You're getting vitamin B, you're getting vitamin K, you're getting vitamin E. So there's other vitamins, and all that stuff is so important because in that first year of life, babies are going through such rapid growth and rapid development, brain growth, body growth. Yeah. So a food that's chock full of vitamins is important. Oh, look what you came out with, Chef.
Wow.
Yeah, so
magic of television, it's done already. 4 hours later?
Our pork belly's been working for 4 hours,
Oh,
believe
wow.
it or not. And you can cut some nice slices. All right, so we have a little of our oatmeal congee. If you don't want to use pork belly, if you want something a little leaner cut, I think you can really, the sky's the limit. I'm gonna add this beautiful sesame and cabbage kimchi salad.
That is so impressive.
Really great.
This is the texture, I like it. And then I have some, just a little granola. Pumpkin seeds here as well, just kind of chopped up. I made a whipped vanilla and cinnamon whipped cream.
Yum.
How do we do with that one?
Delicious.
Really
Oh,
fantastic.
Yeah, no, that's delicious. The oatmeal's great. That's amazing. Yeah.
So good.
So good. The glaze.
The glaze, but I think so many flavors, like I taste it and then I taste another flavor and then I taste another flavor. It's
Really good. I'm
delicious.
gonna have to